Hello everyone, welcome to SenthilSmartQAHub. Today we are going to discuss the no test found error in the playwright. So when do we get this no test found error? Generally this happens because of few common mistakes we make while running the playwright test. Let's go through them one by one. For example, here I have two spec files are present. Example1.spec file, example2.spec files are present under the test folders. Now I am going to run the spec file. For example, here npx playwright test, then I am going to call example3.spec file. The file is not exist. So the file is not exist under the test folders. So you will get no test found error. The reason is that the file is not present under the testers folders. Even that file is present not inside the testers folder also, you will get the same error. Because playwright.config.ts file, you mention the directories testers folders. Whenever you run the playwright execution, it will try to call the spec files under the test directory folders. For example, here I'll keep this is outside the test folders. Example2.spec file, now I kept the outside the directory. Now I'll call this example2.spec.ts file. It will get no test found. If file is not exist, if you try to call the file, you will get no test found error. If you execute the spec file which is present in the wrong directory, then you will get the no test found error. Okay, example2.spec file is present under the project directory. Then I want to run it this file. Then the playwright.config.ts file, just mention the dot indicate the current project. Now it works. Suppose you are keeping this example2.spec file under some other folder, then after the dot slash you have to mention that the folder where that example2.spec file is present, that folder name we can give, then we can run it. So no test found error occurs when you run the invalid spec file name. Second reason is the spec file is not present in the test directory. Spec file is not present in the test directory. So for these reasons, you will get no test found error. Thank you.